Hey guys, and welcome to the Akinon's YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to profile a Python script. So let's get started. To come to know the time executed by the program as well as the resources occupied and other information about the code, we need to profile a script. So to profile a script, it's really simple in Python. We have a library that is inbuilt which is known as a C profile, and that C profile simply can understand the time taken and the scripting of a function within the code. So basically what I've done is I've created a simple function called as foo, and that prints as hello world. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the C profile and I'm going to run that function, and within that I'm going to specify the function name. And if I run this program, as you can see, we get a whole description about the code. So first thing is the output is visible, that is hello world, and then it says 5 function calls in zero point 0.0 seconds, and it's ordered by the standard name, and then the number of calls, the total time, the current time, and per call time, and as well as the file name with its location. So the first one is the string, the next one is the name of the file, that is file.py, then the built-in execution function, then the built-in print function, and so forth. So this is a simple code that simply prints hello world. Now let's try to make a more complicated code. So now let me create a variable called as number and equate it to 0, and let me say for I in range 1, 5, I'm simply going to do number is equal to num plus I. So basically at every iteration the value of I is going to get saved into number variable, and finally I'm going to print the number variable. And if I run it now, as you can see, it changes. The output is visible as 10, but this time the time taken is 0.019 seconds, and you can see here the time taken over here, total time, and per call times are specified in the file.function, and the different details are specified. So basically using the C profile library, you can profile a script in Python. So that's it from this quick video. Don't forget to drop a like and share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Hackinon's YouTube channel for more fun and amazing videos.